If you want to win $10,000, all you have to do is make a Waiata Māori video. Anyone can do this. All it has to be is 100% Reo Māori and Nicklive creative.
Kia kaha koutou.
Kia kaha ki te kōrero I te reo Māori ngā wā kāua.